Lunch just came.
Restaurant was big.
That's babe food. Baby, you see the camera screen properly?
See the camera screen, but don't show the entire pizza.
What? Bizarre Bazaar? How can a Bizarre Bazaar business this one not carry me go? Follow me through the tunnels. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Say morning, Fambell.
Good morning.
Ty, say morning to the face. And Sarah can't say morning because she is taking a morning nap. You guys, we are on our way to Italy. There you have it. We're on our way to Italy. That's right. There you have it. That's right, Tyler. We're gonna get our stash of goats. You guys know that we go to Italy to buy goats every now and then when we run out of our stash, and we've gone to Italy since October, I think. It's been a minute. My stash finished. September, babe says. Oh, we haven't gone back since then?
No, we went.
We went again since that for Christmas. For Christmas stash. No, one time we went back. Anyway, you guys, we're on our way to Italy. So we're on a road trip. Hopefully you guys are having a good day, because we are gonna enjoy our day in Italy. It's gonna be a busy day for us. We have a bunch of stops that we want to do today, so let's see if we'll check them all out and off the list. When Sarah wake up, you guys will see her. But anyway, you guys have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and we out there in these European streets, y'all. We woke up in a different country. It's so good that we can just go to another country like that. And we came early this time because the last time when we came, we reached just after lunch, and the market, part of the market was, we walk here? No, part of the market was closed. Where we wanted to go was closed and reopen at 4. So this time I decided that I'm going in the morning part, morning session. So right now is 9 o'clock yet?
Yeah, it's
just after 9?
9:45.
Okay, it's after 9. So hopefully what I want is not finished where we're going. So let's go to this market. And this market we're going is a big market, have both clothes and food. So it's a famous market too. So that's where we're heading right now. Should be full. Look who's awake. Who's awake? Who's awake? Who's awake? Who's awake? When you're in Italy, it still feel like you're in France. I can't, there's no difference really. Same type of buildings, same type of road. Only difference is you'll see a lot of these scooters. It's the country of scooter. Look, scoot, non-stop scooting. Same kind of restaurants, lots and lots of them. It's breakfast time around here, so everybody's out having coffee. Clothes market starts here. Clothes, cheap underwear, you name it, they got it, and it's just go all the way down Hold on, Ty. Hold on. More clothes and more clothes. It's like you're in China. You don't have to go to China to buy anything. You just come here, you get it all. Everything is here. €5 clothes. €3, €2, €10. And then inside here is the food section that we are going to get the goat. He's cutting up my goat for me. I get 2 legs.
That'll be fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
How much you got the last time? You remember?
And
Tyler love goat too.
if he wasn't there, you will feel sad.
I'm happy I come in the morning.
Maybe they have something else, but we never.
38. Tribe. Tribe that look nice. They have goat head. Tyler, that's the head of the goat. You see it?
Yeah.
See there?
Oh,
See there, right there. That's the head and that's the tongue here.
we see that in the
Yeah, you see his eyes looking at you?
Oh no.
Inside the fruit and veggie market, they have just about everything in here. What happened?
Questo è tutto per me. Exiting the food market into the clothes market. Oh, tripod. That's phone tripod. I want to go around the other side.
Ti sento tossire. Finora non hai tossito.
This market is huge. We are in another city. Oh. Yes, we're in another city. We're in a city called, what is it called again? I don't remember when babe come here to tell you. But now we're having lunch. We decided yesterday on Valentine's Day that we wasn't gonna go anywhere and we would do lunch today as a Valentine's
Mama?
Day celebration.
The name of this city. Papa,
We're having lunch. Sarah is having char. Babe lunch just came.
This restaurant was
That's babe food. Baby, you see the camera screen properly?
see the camera screen, but don't
It's
show
the
the entire
pizza.
pizza.
This is so baby's having pizza,
gonna eat now
Tyler
while
is
it's
having
hot.
spaghetti,
Tyler, you want some?
and I am having some kind of seafood. So babe and Tyler enjoying.
Okay, you can eat the pizza if you want to. Want your Sprite in a bottle?
In a glass.
In a glass?
That would work.
Coca-Cola.
Wait, je vais mettre Coca-Cola.
Papa.
And Sarah's having carrot mode.
Alors, c'est bon, Tyler?
Oui, mais des
What
fois,
kind of
ça
pizza
fait-
is that? 3 cheese?
Yeah, 4.
4 cheese? Only you. Babe never come to Italy and don't take pizza. Well, if you're in the land of Italy, if you're in the land of pizza, then why not?
Gonna full my belly.
And then we have some adventures to go on in a bit.
Quoi faire, papa?
Ça, c'est la pâte. Yeah. C'est comme ça. And the food of Tyler, the Prince Tyler is rich. The spaghetti with some cheese, egg, and bacon.
Some cheese.
And this is Sarah is eating.
Carrot.
And I'm gonna have seafood and mine is shrimp and squid.
That looks good.
No one eat that, but that's
That's good.
okay. Mama, me I want to that, but that's okay.
You guys, lunch was amazing. Bomb.
All done.
I ate it all off. Tyler almost ate up all of his. And babe is on the struggling line. Baby on the struggling line. So yeah, we're here enjoying the day out, and after we leave here, we're heading up to that castle. Let me show you where we're gonna go.
What we
At the top of that building, we're going to go all the way up there from down here. So let's see that adventure, yeah? What we're gonna do up there?
Yes.
When you get there, you'll see.
We are going to play.
Okay, so we are here at this bridge. It's the most visited spot in this city that we are, and we're going to this castle up here, and we just had lunch right here. What's the name of the restaurant we just ate? Well, I can't give you guys a recommendation because I don't know what it's called. Albolga. And what's the name of the city we're in?
Dolce Acqua.
Dolce Acqua. Speak in an Italian accent, honey.
Dolce Acqua.
Speak in an Italian accent. Say something in an Italian accent.
Speaking the Italian accent. When you speak Italian, you have to speak with.
No, speak it the way you are
with
speaking
the-
it in the car. Just say
Speak with the
something.
finger. It's like okay.
Dolce Ganna.
Tabacchi. And E at the end of
No
everything.
disrespect to our Italian people, but we love hearing the Italian accent. It's like it sounds like they're singing. Everything is A and O and C at the end.
That's the name of the city written here.
So
Dolce
cool.
Acqua.
Anyway, you guys, let's go on this adventure. My girl is strapped. We don't have stroller today, and you all know Tyler's a walker, so we're ready. Dolce Acqua. So if you guys visit Italy, this is a nice, cool, pretty little city to visit. Let me show you the name. You guys can go look for it online. There, Dolce Acqua. That's the name. All right, let's go. Let's do this. We're gonna walk out all this food. Art on the wall.
No,
What
yeah, I
is
think
this?
it's the person because they said the castle is the Doria Castle.
Oh, so
I
this
guess
is
it's
the
like
family.
family.
Oh, all right.
That's wood. Though.
We're learning
Okay, we
something.
can go inside.
So we're going under here. Hey, handsome. Ooh. Okay. You want to go? Oh my gosh. Look there. How cool is that? Oh my god, look at that. Look here. I want to go in this scary. It looks scary. Oh my gosh. Look at that. How cool.
I need sunglasses.
I can't see nothing. This is so cool. I wish I didn't have Sarah strap on to me, but it's a good thing we have this and not the stroller. In the bed. Oh my god. Where does this go to? Well, I'm not. No, you're not going under there. Not that one.
Mommy.
The mama and me just kicking. Nope. Oh, what? Bizarre Bazaar? How can a Bizarre Bazaar business this one not carry me go? No. No, Sam. No, I'm going this out. Bizarre Bazaar.
Monster in there.
Oh, you can't go in there. It's just showing you.
So you want to enter? There's a bed.
No, thank you. Bed and breakfast for you.
Let's go.
Follow me through the tunnels. How cool is this?
Go, Mama.
Hmm?
You have to continue forward.
Maybe this is where the homeless guy
You
was
have to
just now with the
continue
dog.
forward.
Must be.
You have to continue
What
forward.
kind of scary place is? It's cool though, but it's creepy.
Just on the camera it's showing as well. Tell her stay down, Papa is coming.
Oh, there's a restaurant?
Look that way.
Oh, there's a restaurant right here.
Okay, let's go down, Tyler.
That's the one. There's a cookie there.
You think our people live there?
Huh?
You think our people live there?
I think you could what?
And people live there?
Of course, I see somebody upstairs hanging out. Look, see a line up there with clothespins. And somebody was dusting out
Yeah, but look, for example,
a
this
blanket.
window,
Look,
this
see
window
that one
break.
have curtain.
This window break.
Oh my god. Baby,
Yeah.
I'm scared.
No.
Babes, you're not scared, babes?
You have to go
Babes, not scared?
over there.
Tyler couldn't care less. He's just walking. He doesn't want to go. Look up. What's happening?
And you also have a mailman coming. And to knock. So this is all handmade.
Luca.
Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, I'm alone.
That's okay.
The one with the garlic.
Just garlic or with
No,
chili?
the mixed one with the chili. Can I smell it again?
Yes, of course. Oh.
Oh, baby, smell it.
You like it?
It have chili pepper in it.
Yes.
So it's garlic, chili pepper, and what else?
Wild garlic.
Wild garlic
And chili pepper.
and what else is in it? That's
Salt.
it?
Salt.
And salt.
Yes.
What is it best used for? Meat, fish,
Yes, you
Salad.
use for everything.
everything?
Yes, because garlic you put
Yeah, on everything.
fish
really.
and
Smell
pepper.
good, no? How much for this one?
One pot €4 and free €10. Of what you choose, everything.
I'm gonna have this one.
Yes.
I'm gonna have this one.
The sun.
It smells really good. Okay.
F10.
Yeah, night.
That's no.
I'm gonna take one. Yes, look at him. Look at him.
I'm in video. You know, this man is a warrior. He's brave. He defends his family. When we just enter.
Here looks like
Right.
you'd live. But down, dark and
History of the Miqueta. Yeah, pourquoi il y a des trous où?
in the wall.
Here in the wall?
Là.
Okay. C'est quand c'était le temps. When it was the time of the night, in the middle age,
Okay.
and you wanted to defend the village, so the archery, they can come like this. Honey. So the archery, they can come like this. Look at Papa, and take it, and is what the elbow, and
The arrow.
and to send the arrow straight to kill people. But because
I want to get on
But
that
because the wall
one.
is like this, it's easy to catch them, but the opposite way is hard for them to catch you. You understand?
Yes.
Because the wall is like this.
You can't take it out, it can't come out.
On the top now.
What you trying to do? You trying to make a hole?
Yeah.
You can make a hole here.
It's
very
not made to
solid.
do that
It's
side.
made to be very solid. And look at here. Castello Doria.
So where's the castle? Is this on the right?
This,
So what is in there to see?
I don't know.
Okay. So you guys, right now we are heading inside the castle. Oh, oh. We don't know what we're gonna see, but
Yeah,
we
when tu fais,
are going in.
c'est quoi ça, papa?
C'est quoi ça?
Je vois
Papa,
de la fumée.
tu peux
Ah, it's
prendre
somebody that
photo
live
avec
there.
moi, s'il te plaît?
Who and who? You and I? Wasn't even realized that.
You didn't realize you don't have it on. That's how good that one is. My son just pick up flowers from the castle and give it to me. He's not supposed to pick them, but he's such a good boy.
You don't want to live in the house there?
Who?
Look, the white house on top. You think you have electricity?
Of course it have electricity.
You think you have internet?
Of course.
Really?
Strong internet up there about.
Mama, komm, almost at the castle. Wow, the castle. Wow.
You can push it down to there. Push it down and you'll see, and turn it. Turn with him, honey. Turn. And you can see everything. You see? He's so cute. You can see everything down there through the thing so clearly. That's the restaurant we were down there. Right there.
Where?
Right there where the black car is passing now. I like the fact that they make these stairs for us to go all the way to the top. Look how high we are. Look at Ty. Hey, hey, back up, back up. I mean, go back a little bit. You're too close. That scares me. Oh, we are high, girl. You're too loud. Oh, there's another one. Let me look at it. Oh, look at it. Damn it. Is the bird gonna really see that close? Oh my God. I'm coming, Tyler. And they make so many steps along the way so you can tour the entire castle. It's so beautiful up here. Ready, Ty?
Yes.
Let's go.
Look over there.
I see. Sarah, the day you start walk, you come there. Okay, so we're at the extreme top.
I'm sure back of the
And this is the view.
the river was kind of full.
Have to be.
Now it's
With time, the water is gone. But I'm sure with the time, the river was high. But I'm not disappointed, I must say.
Hey guys, so we're about to go now. This is where we just went. That's prettier when you're inside than from here. From here
Look at
looks.
Sarah. The man that I bought the seasoning from says he wants to be the first to give Sarah a gift, and this is what he gives her. Sarah got her first bunch of roses from a man. That's a good sign. So they'll have to continue that trend and knowing how to treat my daughter. Right, Sarah? Look, they're coming down.